everyone. This is the time for time to talk and speak in English for making my English conversation or English fluency is good. So I would be uh, work for it, and now I will discuss about nursing profession, because I am a registered nurse. So I will discuss about my profession also. And somebody asked me, why nursing profession is the good or bad. Good. And why nursing profession, what is the back what we call, I don't know what we called is the why nursing profession is not good. So I will talk about why nursing profession is good. So, because nursing profession is a noble profession in which we provide high quality patient care, and also we should compensate and also care for ill patient. And it is noble because it is noble profession, so it is not only for good career, it is also shows the humanity, in which when any patient comes to in hospital, and there is they may meet some different hospital employees. When the most of the time, I think patient in during the patient all things are when a patient admitted in the ward, and most of the time it will meet with the nurse too much, like nurse provide patient to care everyone, nurse provide the medication to the patient, and most of the things nurse provide also health education to the patient, and maybe some empathy, and provide some empathy, and also provide some different type of things, just like when a patient is very stressful situation, and patient attender in also stressful situation, and then nurse will provide some emotional support to the patient. So nursing profession, I think, is very good profession. And why it is not good? So no, there is nothing for not good, but if anybody don't want to take care of any ill patient, don't want to provide some special care, just like high quality patient care, and they don't want to some busy schedule and in duty time, so for them it is not good. But when anybody want to be compassionate and high quality, focus on high quality patient care, so it is the good for them. So this is the about nursing profession, why nursing profession good, and for whom, and for not good for them. I don't know, maybe there is some mistake, so it's okay, I don't care about it. And now I will discuss with you what is today. So I wake up at 5 a.m. and after then I feel very thirsty, because and I feel also cold, because my nose are blocked, my nostril are blocked, and it is difficult to breathe. Then I will do some exercise. After then I feel better, and after then I'll go to take a bath, then make food for my family. And today is my fasting day also, and my husband also take fast. My husband's also doing fast, what we call fasting day also for my husband. And we both are not eating food during daytime, and after evening, at the evening we will eat we have to eat whole meal at the dinner. And while I eating dinner and I take dinner, then I have some various problem like my nostril also blocked, and I will never feeling good for because because of nostril blocked, and I take a breath from my mouth when I eating food, then it I feel very uncomfortable because I will not able to take breath during eating food. So after then I told to my husband, I was told to my husband, and he bringing some medication for me, that is azithromycin 500 mg tablet for by 3 tablet, and also the Montar LC tablet. And after then I take after the dinner taken I was taken medication. Then still I'm not feeling well. Then after some time I put my water. Which nasal drop is, I put one drop of nasal drop, one drop nasal drops in my nostril, and after then I feel better. So this is my today, and after then when I feel better, I will make some videos like you say, have you see, and now it's my whole day. I'm not telling about my office work, so it's okay. I'll tell tomorrow for my office because this is daily routine work, and now I feel better, and then now I'm going to sleep. So bye, good night, take care.